The name the Father.
Mama, what is drinking our yogurt? What is drinking 2 yogurt?
They're only drinking. You guys have each one. Have one each, I mean. Okay, Ray, can you go ahead and pray your prayer? Do your prayer? Come on. In the name of the Father.
Now it's small.
Huh?
Now the straw is small.
The straw is too small?
The straw is
Is
too
yours-
big.
Is yours gone, Baba?
No, it's not gone. It's fixed. No, mine is not gone. I need to finish it. Mine's gone. Mine's just gone.
Okay, let me see. There's plenty in there, woman. You just have to keep trying.
Cupcakes.
Mommy!
Mama,